I'm Deprise and I'm here with Tuki. And we were having a little discussion about the different things that we can do in this downtime when we have to be by ourselves and at home. And while Tuki is quite content to chase bugs and do all kinds of stuff, she also gave me the idea that mixing art with a lesson plan could be really exciting. So we kind of brainstormed a little bit and we thought about, what if we took an art project that we already did, and then what if we tied it in with a history lesson? So we came up with the idea that maybe we could take the United States and we could look at the artwork that we did. And this is from the Faces of Freedom. This is California. Now we painted all of the states and they all hang together. All the faces are the Faces of Freedom. So that's on this side. And the back side has the Constitution in Scrabble form. Now it definitely goes across the entire United States on the back side. But for the sake of at-home playtime, Tuki wants me to show you this. We decided we would make line drawings. We would take the design that was already painted and then we would create them into downloadable files. So basically you can get these online. You can download them and you can print them anywhere. We have all of the states and they will be up shortly. But we have all of the states. They have a color image of the United States. That's it's an 8.5 by 11, but you can print it up to a 16 by 20. So like here you go. Let's see, what do we got? Okay, so here's California. Here's a card of California in the color. And then, so you'll get a color digital file. You'll get a black and white digital file. And then, oh yeah, okay, she's trying to let me know to tell you about the rest of it. And then the other thing that you're gonna get is a file that talks about the Bill of Rights, which are the first 10 amendments. And that is a really good lesson in and of itself. So our suggestion is that you go ahead and you get the files, you download, and as you paint or as you color or as you, however you want to, whatever you want to do with this, you go ahead and review those and you think about what our forefathers must have been thinking when they wrote this stuff. It's pretty interesting. It's a fantastic way to mix art and history, and the history of art. Anyway, so that's it for now. Find your favorite state and enjoy. It might be something really great you can do with the kids. Big kids, little kids, all kids. And I will see you soon. Okay, bye.